Okay, everybody, good morning. It's Monday, the 27th of October, and this is the Three Little Pigs in the live market, and I will also cover nits as well at the end. So, just so you're all aware, the Three Little Pigs trading strategy, it's a free ebook available here under free products on Forex Useful. And the indicator I'm going to use today is available on the website here. And no indicators trading strategy, which I said I will cover at the end. The three currencies which I trade on the 4-hour chart, that's also available here on the website. And just a special notice, the Halloween giveaway, we've got the Three Little Pigs and Knits one-on-one and Nigel's new video course. We're giving two away, one of each, to somebody, and there's 3 days left just to register. So the link is in the email that I sent out at the weekend, and I'll also put a link up on the website soon. Or you can obviously use this URL here. You get one entry just by signing up there, and if you share it or tweet it or like it, whatever, you get 3 extra entries. And anyway, onto the main markets, and let's start with Three Little Pigs. So here we go. Aussie dollar. I pointed this out in the newsletter. I had 9 losing trades in a row, and now we've got the trends out of sync. So we're saved out of those losing trades at the moment. This is just horrible, terrible price action. It does happen, you know. We have to take the rough with the smooth here. So if we look back here, this is an amazing money made here, and then we have to take this as trend swing traders. We have to accept that we're going to see this now and again. So these nice rewards, we take every trade. We were chopped in and out here a little, took this trade, made some big money, and now we've given a little bit back, but not to worry. We just stay in the markets and we take all of these trades, and we'll be waiting a while. Obviously the weekly's the dominant force here, so we just need this daily to roll over and then hopefully see some follow-up price action on the 4 hours so we can get short, or else we'll be waiting for that weekly to turn up. So it would be at least maybe 3 or 4 weeks unless something drastic happens before we look to the long side. Euro GBP, we're down and down here, so the weekly was down already, and the daily turned over. We were a little late here on entry. We got confirmation, I think, here on this candle. So if we just move across here, so our stop loss is somewhere around about here at the moment. So almost a break even in the money stop here on this Euro GBP trade. So we're positioned if we see this drop off and the weekly low gets taken out here, at least we're involved. Onto Euro JPY, down and up here, so nothing of interest yet. Obviously the weekly's below at the moment, so just waiting either for the daily to drop down through or for the weekly to show strength again and catch up with its counterpart, the US dollar JPY, which is already trending up. So just sit and wait here on Euro JPY. Euro USD, we got in here. It was a late entry as well while we waited for the trends to catch up. So got in here on this candle, and like the Euro GBP, almost we've got at least 50% reduced risk here on this trade, but didn't get stopped out here. Those new to the Three Pigs, there was many of you at the weekend. If you got in this morning, you had an absolutely wonderful entry here. So something like 12705, and with a stop loss probably of about 20 pips or so. So really excellent starting position here, on the basis and the hope that this can now drop off and give us some nice reward. Of course, we don't know what it's going to do, so if we get stopped out, we'll just take the next signal. But those coming in this morning, new to Three Pigs, got a fantastic entry there on Euro USD. On to cable, down and up here, so nothing of interest, and actually that's the same for USD CAD. Actually, it has just changed. So the weeklies are up here, and the dailies just moved back into up here. So we're just waiting now for a signal on the 4-hour chart, and we can take a long trade and maybe see USD CAD continue this strength upwards. So just changed from I just looked about 10 minutes ago, and the daily trend was down, and as we can see, it's just moved back above that moving average. So long signal here, and we'll be taking the trade. USD Swiss is up and down, so there's no interest there at the moment. USD JPY, as I mentioned, the weekly's up, and so is the daily. And on the 4-hour chart, we got the late entry. I think I covered this in the weekly report. So we got the late entry here while we waited for that daily just to change up. So late entry, excuse me, late entry here, and the stop loss. We've reduced our risk by about 50%. So hopefully we can see the USD JPY push on up from here. And as always, just for those that do trade gold, no interest here. We've got down and up trends. So weekly still clearly down here. This trend line, which I pointed out a number of times, 12000 is a very strong level here for gold. So if this breaks, then you know that those who do trade gold will be positioned for it by taking the signals like normal. But at the moment, the daily's obviously just up here, and the weekly still down. So the likelihood is that we'll get a down signal before an up signal, but there we go. Either way, we just take whatever the charts tell us. So I'll just finish off with NITs. Those not watching live, by the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, there's a subscribe button here, and what it does mean is that you won't miss any of our live events or other videos, and you'll also be informed of upcoming live events automatically by email. So if you subscribe here, you will be notified of all of our new events and videos. Nigel's due a video out tomorrow, actually, so keep your eyes open for that one. I'll just go over what I covered in the report. So basically, we took a short position here on cable after this low was taken out here. So we've got a stop loss here, and we've just been moving in between this this high and this low. So just waiting for price action to give us a reason to take a long position or move our stop loss. And Euro USD, we're long from here. When we broke this high, we moved our stop loss up to here, and the basis is that if this low gets taken out, then the bears are back in town, basically. So we'll take a short position here with the stop up here, initial stop up here. Of course, if we see price move up and take this high, we'll just move the stop slightly here. I probably won't even bother to move it, actually. So we just need to see this this materialize now over the next couple of weeks if it's going to go to the upside. If it does break downwards, which seems quite likely at the moment, if it does break down, we will obviously get involved and then trade it accordingly. Last but not least, on to Euro JPY. So yeah, we moved up here at the weekend. I actually just moved my stop loss up to I had it on a bigger time frame, larger scale before, so that wasn't showing quite accurately enough. Okay, so we took a long position here, and then we retraced, and basically we got we took this high out now with a small gap up this morning, which has come against us since. But anyway, it's given us reason to reduce our risk by, I don't know, something like 50% here. And now we just wait for price to break a new high here, or as always, we've got a short position here should the bears take control. And on that note, thank you all very much for watching, and have a great week, and see you next week. All the very best.